Please check, this is our novelty for 2026. This is a headlamp. It goes with the headband in the set, so it looks like this. We offer 10 years no hassle warranty. It has IP68, so it can fall from 10 meters. It can be under the water for 10 meters as well. 4,500 lumens. So it's really bright. You can change modes like this. USB-C charger, so it's charged easily. A holster in the set, a headband in the set, as I said, 150 meters distance. Premium quality.